Hi guys, welcome back for episode 5 of the CB scrambler build. Today, because we're at risk of thunderstorms, I'm going to get straight into it. The first goal is to weld this hoop on, so I need to clean off some of the paint off the frame and the brackets, get the welder out and just blast it off. We'll see what happens with how much time I've got left after that. Okay, so what I used there was a flappy sanding disc instead of a grinding disc, just because I don't really want to take off too much metal, I just want to take the paint off. So that's clean these up really nice. So yeah, now I'm ready to get the welding out. Okay, so now the seams are all welded and ground back. Yeah, I think that turned out pretty well, really. Not a bad effort, seeing as I've not welded for ages. So I let this cool down. Whilst this is cooling down, I want to show you the tyres which have turned up for this, so you can see what I'm going for. Okay, so these are the tyres. This is the rear tyre. This is a Dunlop K460. Tyre sizes are 120 by 90 on a 16-inch rim. It's a nice aggressive tread. Should look really smart when it's on. The front is... oh, it's gone. This is a... how do you pronounce that? Haydenu? 90 by 90 by 18, again slightly more aggressive tread pattern than what was originally on the bike. Unfortunately, because of the funny wheel sizes on this bike, I couldn't get a matching set, but I mean, to look at, they're pretty close. Without any close inspection, people aren't going to know. So another thing for this particular bike, the front wheel, probably with a lot of smaller bikes actually, the front wheel is a tube tyre, the back is a tubeless. So if you want to do this well, you've got to bear in mind that you're going to need to get a tube for it as well. I am going to attempt to fit these myself. Now I'll tell you now, I hate changing tyres on anything. I'm more than happy to pay someone else to get it done, but as I'm trying to do this on a budget, then we'll have a go myself, and fingers crossed I won't blow up the inner tube. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to attempt the front wheel, as it's the one that's off the bike at the moment. I need to put this back on before I can take the front off, take the back off, sorry. So, first things first, obviously got to let the air out. Ideally, you'd have the little tool to take the valve out of this and just let all the air out in one go, but I can't seem to find mine, so I'm going to use the spanner from my grinder and just hold the valve in to get as much air out as I can. It's probably going to take some time. Okay, so first things first, you've got to try and get the old tyre off the bead. Easy way to do that is to get a tyre lever, use the spoon end, hold the lip of the tyre down, move the camera a little so you can see. Zoom in a bit for you. So you're going to kneel on the tyre, try and separate it from the rim like this. Get the spoon in, press it down so it pops off. Like that. And just work your way around. Once you get going, it should come off relatively easy. Oh, but typically I can't get it off. So if you're struggling to get the bead off, another way to do it is to use a clamp like this. Once you've got it started, then they just pop off. It's not too bad to get them off, but it's just getting the thing started. Release that. And then do the same on the other side. So I've got this side resting on the rim of the wheel, this side on the tyre. Sort of. Like this. Press that down. You hear the pop. Like that. And just work your way around. Okay. So now that it's off the bead, you simply hold down so you can get the lever bar in. Using it against the rim, just going to hold that like that. Get the second one, go a couple of inches round from it. One tyre off the rim. Okay, so a funny thing with this tyre, it has two directional arrows. Let's see. This way if it's on the rear wheel, that way if it's on the front. Never seen that before. Okay, so I've got the tyre half on. Well, I'm going to admit defeat. The tyre still isn't on. It's beaten me. So I am going to put the forks back in, prop them up on some wood or some stands of some sort, take the back wheel out, and I'm going to take both of the wheels to a local tyre fitter and get them to do it, because that's what they're paid for. Credit where it's due. If people can change these tyres, I've seen people do it on the internet, I've watched people at motocross events do it, but it's not for me. So yeah, next time the tyres will be on, the wheels will be back on, and then we can start having a bit more fun. Okay, thanks for watching. Admittedly, probably not the best episode in the world, but if you are liking what you're seeing and you want to see how the bike carries on, then please feel free to click subscribe, leave any comments or tips, particularly about this. If you've got tips on how to do this, then I'm all ears. Leave them in the comments below. I will reply to every comment that's there. Thanks for watching. Cheers.